So before you really start doing anything, writing any code, you have to kind of set everything up and get your environment in place. The culinary industry has a phrase, mise en place. Basically, it means everything in its place. Get everything set up before you start actually doing anything. Before I start cooking dinner, I make sure to pull all my ingredients, grab my knife, get the cutting board, put the pan on the stove, all that stuff. Basically, you got to set the stage for success. The same is true when you're writing code. You have to get your tools ready. There's two main tools that you'll need to get started here. We're going to add more later down the road, but there's two to start with. You need a web browser and you need a text editor. When it comes to web browsing, there's really two main choices as a developer because there's really only two that have good development tools. There's Google Chrome or Firefox. Both work just fine. They've got great dev tools. I like the Chrome because it has a React extension that we'll be using later on. And I've just always used Chrome for a long time, so that's the one I'm going to be using. But if you like Firefox and you want to use it, that's fine too. They both work great. Download Chrome is very straightforward. You simply come to google.com/Chrome, or you can just Google download Chrome. Hit download Chrome, accept and install, and then you'll get to download and install the file. Downloading Firefox is also very straightforward. Just Google download Firefox and you'll get a page that looks like this, or you can go to mozilla.org and hit download Firefox. It'll be the same process where you download the package and install it. The other tool we're going to be setting up and installing is a text editor. Now there's several good, great, wonderful text editors out there. The one I personally like is Atom. Now, there's kind of a very opinionated debate among coders about which one is the best, which one they like. A lot of people like Sublime Text, a lot of people like Visual Studio Code, a lot of people like Atom. I'm just an Atom person. I've tried all three, used them for a lot of different applications, and I like them all. I recommend Atom because that's the one I'm going to be using, but as I said, these work just great. They're fine. Sublime has a cost to it, so if you're going to use Sublime, be aware that there is a price associated with that. However, they've got a free trial that lasts forever. You just get bugged every once in a while to come pay them. Visual Studio Code is put out by Microsoft, has a great community, has the support of the massive giant Microsoft behind it. Atom is put out by GitHub, which is now owned by Microsoft, but I like Atom. It's really cool. It's open source. It's got a lot of cool community and packages behind it. So whichever one you like, process is the same, download and install.